Okay, this is the proper way to shake someone's hand.
You ready, Bean? You ready?
You ready, Mama?
Shake Mommy's hand. Nice to meet you, madam.
Eye contact.
Eye contact and all. You ready one more time, Mommy?
You want to do it again?
Shake Mommy's hand.
Shake Mommy's hand.
Attention now.
You looking at the camera?
Bean. Shake Mommy's
Shake
hand.
Mommy's hand.
Good job. Yay.
Eye contact with Mommy.
Have you ever seen a 4-month-old shake somebody's hand? Oh, she trying to go to the camera. All right, one more time for the people because they might not believe that you really. Don't look at your brother, look at your mommy. Shake Mommy's hand. Good job, Mommy. Yay. All right, Daddy, put your hand out. Shake Daddy's hand. Good job, Mommy. Yay. This is the proper way to shake hands. All right, stop the camera.
Mommy.
Stop.